Hey guys, how's it going? Jason here again. So I haven't really done a whole lot on the MG in the last couple of weeks, so I'm gonna get cracking back in here, and I kind of want to get working on this back panel, because when we're doing the boot lid, I had to make this panel like follow the contour of the boot lid. So we've done that there, but we have an awful mess here to clean up, and we've got this patch to do over here, and then we'll try and get this wee rounded thing done here and see if we can get far enough in that section to try and get the what's called the chrome bumper mounted in some sort of fashion. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this panel here then, as I said there a minute ago, I had it modified to make it follow this curve, which I'm happy enough with, and doing this here caused a lot of ripples in this panel, and the main thing I want to do is get this back together again. So I think I'm going to make this bit first, to add a bit of strength into this whole area, and then we'll start kind of trying to form this back to where it has to be, and then we'll clean it back, put a skim of filler on that there, try and get it flat, and that'll be that done. And yeah, so I'm gonna start cleaning up these areas where I need to weld. We'll start making a patch and we'll get some stuff done. Okay, so I got distracted and went and started playing with the MX5 there. I fitted the roll bar and stuff, made an exhaust. So we're back at this again. We've had this done. Can't remember if I showed you this or not. Yeah, this done is a bit shit, to be honest with you. But there's skim and filler over that there. It'd be okay. I'm not gonna do that right now though. This take a seat. Right, I don't know what to do about this now. See, I kind of would like to maybe mount like two wee lights, round lights on the bumper. I think that would be kind of cool. I'm not really sure yet. So I think I'm just going to delete this, and just so it matches on both sides more than anything. So we'll take this out, I'll make a patch, and we'll do that. And then we'll start on this yoke here. So basically make a round one like that. And that'll be mint. Look at that sick wheel arch. Oh, my finger's in the road there. That's so cool. Still haven't welded on yet, still just tack welded on, but I also haven't edited the video for that wheel arch yet. I suppose you should do that. Might do that soon actually. But yes, anyway, I'm gonna basically delete this for now, and we'll figure something else out for that. Alright, this is all cleaned up now. So there's a few ways I could go about this here. I could cut out this whole area and then make a patch that sits in there exactly the right size, or I could just put a patch inside that, and because this is all good steel, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to make a patch that sits around in the inside, and then we'll be flying. Okay, so I got this cool guillotine in the scrapyard, and I've cut this. I got this bit of metal all marked up. Pretty much, we're just gonna cut it. Not really sure if this is for metal, but God, it does a good job. There we go. And now it's just going to spend a bit of time shaping this. Well, I had a little think about this here, and when I got the light lens and set up the thing, and this is pretty much the right size, just needs to be a wee hair bigger. So that makes my job a lot easier. So I'm just going to pretty much cut that out now. Okay, and just like that, we have that way. I don't know what way it goes. It should be there. And then I have to push it in a wee bit. There he is. But maybe I'll put a wee bow in it. But that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get that stitched on now. I'm gonna clean this up a bit more. I'm gonna stitch this up just so that the gap's not as big, and then we'll start on this. Right, so I got that done there. Looks alright. Weld that up. This here was a bit wanky to weld up, but I got it. Down here had like a wee indent up, so I tried to fill that with weld too, and then we'll just smooth it out. And then cut this out. Of course I can't catch a break anywhere. There's a rot hole here, so when I'm making this here, I'm going to bring it right round, and then we're going to tuck it into this panel. Hopefully it'll be okay. Probably use that one as a template, so that at least they match to some degree. I know the factory ones just here were like the two wee halves, and you just welded the two halves on, but yeah, I don't have them, and I'm not going to buy them because I've already made that one. So yeah, I am going to see what I can do with that. And yeah, that is so annoying though. I thought it was way on the outside, was it? I kind of have a feeling that I did the same thing. That was way worse on the side. Yeah, I brought it right round to there. So yeah, we're going to do the same thing. This side here is probably going to have to be modified quite a bit when we put them arches on. But we also, or I also have to get this onto its four wheels and move it back so that I can put a clutch in the MX-5 when it arrives. I bought a lightweight flywheel and a clutch for it because it doesn't want to take any clutch kicks whatsoever. Fun. So yeah, I'm going to get that done as well. Quite a lot of things to do. Probably should tie the shed up to do that, but I'm going to see what I can do with this first. Or should I just quit now on this? Yeah, actually, I know it's going to be a short one this time on this. I'll probably upload 2 videos this week though, one on the MX-5 and one on this, so it'll kind of even it out for content wise. But yeah, I'm going to call it quits for the night on the MG. We have at least this panel sorted, as in rust repairs and weld repairs, and we have this line underneath the boot pretty good. I say it's going to be a wee bit of filler in there just to finish off where say I've kind of tweaked it a wee bit, but I'm happy with that. Quite annoyed about that, but it is what it is. Right, so that's me for this time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, give us a wee comment, see what you think, and I'll see you again in the next one, which is probably going to have to be that clutch video, because I don't know if I'm going to have time to do this in between the clutch and everything. So I might pre-do it, I might get the car in on like maybe Wednesday night, get the engine out. See, it shouldn't take that long to get the engine out. Right now I'm just rambling. Anyway, so thanks for watching guys, see you again in the next one.